Hello and welcome back to Fun Tech Reviews. Today we'll be looking at the Dser robot vacuum cleaner. The model we will be looking at is the RoboGeek 21T. This is a very unique model compared to other models, as this vacuum can be operated by a mobile phone app or remote control. Before we continue, please make sure to like and subscribe for more product-related reviews and informational content like this. To begin with this review, let's take a look at the product. The Dser Robot Vacuum 21T is a Wi-Fi and remote controllable vacuum. The 21T provides a maximum suction power of 1600 pascals, which is the same as the 20T but less than the 23T and the 22T. Has a dustbin capacity of 0.6 liters, and when operating gives out 58 decibels of sound, which is almost silent. The 21T is Google Assistant and Alexa compatible. Alexa, turn on Dser. Alexa, turn off Dser. The product measures in 2.83 inches tall. It has a maximum working time of 100 minutes on low power before returning to the charging station, and is suitable for hard floors and carpets. Next, let's take a look at some reviews off of Amazon. Amazon Reviews has secured a 4.5 star out of 5 within the site, with 72% of the reviews themselves being a 5 star. Let's take a look at some of the reviews below. From these two reviews, we can clearly see the positivity that the 21T provides. The reviews highlight the product can be used straight out of the box easily. Cleaning can be scheduled whatever time you'd like it to be, and as many times a week as you'd like. The Dser Robo Vacuum 21T can be purchased off of Amazon for $155 at the time of making this video, compared to the price point of the 23T. The vacuum itself does very well on carpets and hard floors. However, there is some minor issues that we'll get into later in the video. So starting with its pickup ability on hard floors. I found its pickup ability is rather decent. However, the spinning side brushes do kind of scatter debris around, similar to the iRobot Roomba i7. Its ability to find its home charging location was very decent. However, there was some times where I'd had to use the remote to direct it back to the dock. However, compared to other robot vacuums like the Shark Ion or other robot vacuums that are random navigation, this one did pretty decent at finding its base. Keep in mind this is a random navigational robot, so it will struggle to clean a large floor plan. However, it's not impossible, it just may go over the same areas twice. One thing I wanted to test is how long the battery lasted on high power. One thing I found is it did really well on max power. It lasted about 55 minutes on high power before needing to return to the dock. The one nice thing about the 21T is it offers a remote control, so you don't have to use the app to control the robot. You can use the remote control to start cleaning, pause cleaning, turn your robot, spot clean, edge cleaning, and set the power. So after using the RoboGeek 21T for about a week, this is everything that is picked up in the dustbin. As you can see, the dustbin is fairly large and did not require much intervention at all. As you can see here, the unit did struggle with clumps of hair or large hair in the roller. It did get stuck. However, it was very easy to clean with the included tool that was in the box. It did very well picking up the large clumps of hair on carpet. So after using the RoboGeek 21T for about a week now, I am very impressed with its pickup ability on hard floors and carpet, as well as its ability to pick up large clumps of hair. It is a random navigation robot, but it does very decent on its cleaning performance and use of battery. I would recommend this robot if you're looking for a budget robot vacuum. However, I wouldn't recommend it for a large floor plan. If you have a small apartment or small living area, it will do very well at cleaning. If you have pets, this will be a good robot vacuum for you. However, with large clumps of hair, it will struggle and will require more cleaning with this included brush. If you'd like to purchase the unit, I'll have a link in the description below. Right now it's on sale with a coupon. I will have a more in-depth review coming in the next few weeks. This is just kind of a quick review. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below, and we'll see you guys next time.